Looking for the perfect traditional fireplace for your home? Whether you're after warmth or an eye-catching centerpiece, here's how to choose the right one. First, set your budget. Fireplaces range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, but even affordable options can still be stunning. Decide on a price range that works for you. Next, understand the various types. Built-in fireplaces save space, while standalone models make a bold statement. Then, choose your fuel type: wood burning for ambiance, gas for convenience, or electric for low maintenance. Where you place your fireplace matters. In a corner for open floor plans or as a divider between rooms, the right spot adds warmth and enhances your home's design. Want even more warmth and charm? Consider a two-sided fireplace to heat two rooms at once. Though more expensive, it's a great investment in style and comfort. Don't forget the mantel. From stone to wood to marble, your mantel sets the tone for your fireplace and ties the room together. Ready to choose your traditional fireplace? Remember to balance budget, style, and function to find the perfect fit for your home. Need more help? Explore our wide selection and find your ideal fireplace today.